Lighten up long winter nights with candlelights burning bright. Here at Bailey, we're going to give you a quick demonstration showing how to make candlestick holders on the wheel. You can also adapt these basic ideas to hand building as well. Remember, at Bailey, we have all the tools, equipment, and supplies that you need to complete this project and many more. Begin by centering a small piece, about 1/2 pound of Tucker's Cone 6 bright white porcelain on our Speedball Artista pottery wheel. You can use any number of bats if you're throwing on a wheel and you're making multiple forms, but we've chosen these 9-inch square masonite bats, and they are economical and they're also wonderful for saving space in a small studio. The first goal is to center our lump of clay and remove any air bubbles. Then we push inward to lift the clay so that we have a mass on top of a foot. Even as this video is sped up, you can see that it takes quite a few maneuvers and time as we slowly move the clay upward. We handle with care in order to keep our solid piece centered and to prevent the event of accidentally ripping the clay off the wheel. Throwing a solid form is great practice no matter where you are in your throwing skills, because when you're throwing a solid form, you're working from the outside in. You're not dealing with the push and pull of interior space that occurs when throwing a hollow form. That's one of the things that's fun about this project. It's a little different. A candlestick holder isn't always the most common form that potters think to make, and so it requires us to think and work differently than we might usually, which can actually inspire great creativity. And yes, this piece isn't 100% solid. We do need to open it at the top to accommodate the candlestick tapers. Now, including 14% shrinkage, the opening for the tapers should be 1 inch. On our website, we include the shrinkage of each clay on the product page right under the specifications. Be sure to check your clay's shrinkage rate to determine the depth and width needed for your candlesticks. Finally, we smooth the surface of the clay using a Cheryl Mud Tools rib. Cut the piece off of the bat and allow it to dry completely before firing. After the Cone 04 bisque kiln, we applied Coyote's baby blue satin to the candlestick holders using a soft brush. Coyote's satin glazes have a beautiful soft satin surface and come in a wide range of colors. We were able to fire these small items in a Paragon Caldera XL test kiln to Cone 5. Such a handy piece of equipment to have in the studio. Okay, these hand-thrown candle holders are gift ready. They're also ready to set a mood and a table. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Your friends at Bailey Pottery Equipment and Ceramic Supplies.